Hello and peace all. This is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Today I'm just reading a little bit about cannabis and how it's helping to heal broken bones and also organ transplants. They're saying that a study from Tel Aviv University and Hebrew University researchers finds that the non-psychotropic component cannabinoid cannabidiol CBD helps heal bone fractures. So that's pretty cool. And they've also found that THC helps with organ transplants, right? Back in the U.S., researchers at the University of South Carolina discovered another new field of cannabis treatment. They found that tetrahydrocannabinol, which is THC, the active ingredients in cannabis, can delay the rejection of incompatible organs. So that's pretty cool there also. So I think people should, just Google cannabis, how it helps heal broken bones, and cannabis, how it helps organ transplants. All right, all. So right now I'm just going to set myself up for a 420 toke because we're coming on to our 420 hour. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna, well, not pretty sure, but I am gonna each day give you a little bit of info on how cannabis cures. It can cure like just hundreds of stuff. So I'm just gonna start with a couple every day, one or two a day, as I'm reading myself, because this is all educational for all of us. Again, peace to all. There's my honey oil. I'm going to learn a whole new way through another friend of mine. Alright, all. I'm going to have to learn how to make some butters and stuff. Well, I do know how to make it, but probably not properly, so I'm educating myself as I go, like everybody else is. Again, happy 420 all, from Loner 420 House. Peace all. Yeah. Too many years I can. Alright. Again, peace all. Amateur video. Love it.